A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start with the crystalline lattice or space lattice and unit cell. Yesterday we have discussed about the crystalline solid and the amorphous solid. Now we are clear with this. So what are the crystalline solid and what are the amorphous solids? So in this chapter we are going to study about the crystalline solid. All that crystalline solid, their properties and all this thing we are going to study. So here this is said that crystalline lattice or space lattice and unit cell. What does it mean? Crystalline lattice किसे कहते हैं? So see that if we see that any unit cell or any solid, if we see that is what we say, that is made up of like we can say that the pillar will be there, isn't it? Like suppose that example ले लेते हैं. If I'm saying this, I want to draw this square. So इस square के लिए the basic thing is that this vertex, isn't it? That will decide that what will be the length and width of this. Yes, if I'm talking about the 2D structure, so then this will decide. So ये जो points होता है, ये जो arrangement होती है, that is called the lattice. And if we attach these two lattices, then it forms a shape. It gives a shape. Okay. So the regular repeating arrangement of point in the space is known as space lattice or crystal lattice. Got it? And that small portion of the lattice is known as unit cell. Let me explain the things. Like if we go, if you see the solid crystal, it will look like this. Okay. So one more, let me draw this here. Let me draw like this. It will be very small, but just to show, I'm making it large. Okay, like this. It is suppose that this is the arrangement, and all the dots. If you check the dots are called, the points are called lattice point. These are lattice point. Got it, dear? Okay, so these are the lattice point, and if we take just combine these two lattice, it will give you a proper shape. And this unit, if we see that there is a one particular like one unit, this one, or you can say another one. Okay, got it? You can say this one. So this one portion, small portion, that will be called the unit cell. Got it? So is it clear, bache? Your unit cell, you are sure about that, because all that study we will do for the unit cell only. Okay. Now you know the space lattice. Space lattice, actually the lattice, space lattice are the points arranged in the space. Okay. Okay, got it? That is called space lattice or the crystal lattice. And if we combine the two dots and all the dots, it will give you a special shape, and that is called the unit cell. Okay. Okay, so now types of space lattice. Space lattice is of two types. One is 2D lattice, another is 3D lattice. If we check the 2D lattice, just to learn, like it's not so important. Okay, just for knowledge, I have written over here. So 2D lattice, if you see that it gives the 5 lattices. That means 5 type of structure it gives. Okay, what is the structure? That is square lattice. That means the A and B, you know, what we say, length. Okay, that will be same. Rectangular lattice, that means A will not be equal to B. One side will be little large and B will be like this. Yes. Parallelogram, we know that parallelogram will be there like this. I have drawn all this, will show. Rhombic, and then rhombic is like, and hexagonal. So let me show you. And 3D lattice जो होते हैं, there are 14 possible dimensional lattice. ये याद करना आपको. This you have to learn that in the 3D there are the 14 possible dimensional lattice, and they are called Bravais lattice. Okay. So in the 3D, the Bravais lattice are possible, and that is 14. That is 14 in number. So see, this is the 2D one. Here the 5 one. This is rectangular, where the A and B, this is A size and this is B length. A and B are not equal to each other, but the angle is 90 degree. Angle is going to be 90 degree. Yes. In this case, the A and B will be equal and the angle will also be 90 degree. If you see this, this is the parallelogram, and here it is like A and B maybe or may not be same, but that angle is not 90 degree. Angle will be not 90 degree. Another is called regular centered rectangular. Centered rectangular, that is like this. You can see here, let me show you. This is the arrangement. Here it will be like one point, another point, third point, fourth point, and जो next layer point होगा, that will be in between these two. Got it? Should I draw? It is clear. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 point I kept, and the second layer point, if I'll keep, I will keep in between the two dots. Yes, see, this one is in between these two, this one is in between two. Similarly, the third layer होगा exactly above on the first layer, and the fourth layer होगा वो exactly above the second layer. Similarly, fifth one, like this is तरह से. Okay, so if you will like combine this two, आप ये देखो, ये इसको मैंने combine किया, so I'm getting one in the center, or anyone you can combine like this. I'm going to combine this. Yes, so you are getting one in the center. So this is called centered rectangle. Okay, and if you'll see that, it will look like this. Then hexagonal, where A will be equal to B, all the sides will be equal and the angle will be 60 degree. Okay, that is also called rhombus. Isse rhombus hum kahenge. And if you'll see that how it is going to form the hexagonal, so see, let me show you. This is going to, if I'm going to add this one, yes, so it is giving you hexagonal shape, and in the center, one is in the center. So that is also called rhombus also, where the angle will be 60 degree and all the A, B will be equal. Okay, is that clear? All the sides will be equal. Okay, now in this case, it's quite clear. Parallelogram A and B will not be equal to, and what we say, angle will also not be equal to 90 degree. Rectangular A and B not equal to, will not be equal, but gamma, the angle between this is A and B angle will be 90 degree. Square may be A or B equal होंगे, and gamma and angle will be 90 degree. Centered rectangle A and B will not be equal, but angle will be 90 degree. Okay. So in 2D, there are 5 ways to order atoms in a lattice. This is arrangement. What I have done, like एक layer arrange किया, and then दूसरा थोड़े से angle के ऊपर ऐसे arrange किया, तीसरा, and इसमें क्या किया, rectangle में exactly above करते गए, लेकिन थोड़ा सा distance ज़्यादा रखा. इसमें क्या है, length और width दोनों जो हमने किया वो equal रखा. Got it? So like this. And in this case, it will be like 2 के बीच में एक रखेंगे हम. So okay, so primitive unit cell जो होता है, that is the basic unit cell, जिसमें क्या होता है, only corners are there. Okay, and primitive unit cell is contains only one atom. So it is the question that it contains only one atom, but how the 4 points, कैसे? So I'm going to tell you that we are talking about the 2D. 2D, that means only the length and the width we will talk. Yes, or length or height we will talk. That means only 2 axes we will discuss, isn't it? So in this case, it is said that कि primitive unit cell जो होंगे, तो that will be the basic, यानी कि एक आपको एक plane में, if you want to draw a lattice, you want to draw a unit cell, what you need? You need 4 points, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 4 point is required. Now arrange these 4 points in any way, 90 degree or 60 degree or more than 120 degree, कुछ भी आप कर सकते हो, and it will give you the 5 different arrangement. I hope it is clear. Yes. So जो like this is a question over here. Are the dotted lattice primitive? क्या ये जो dotted line lattice बनाया हुआ ये primitive है? So these are the primitive. ये जो point है 1, 2, 3, this will be called primitive, but not this, because it is not only having it is not having only the that corner one. Okay, here also in the center, body center here is, so that's why. So it is said that non-primitive unit cell, that means these two cells, sometimes useful if orthogonal coordinate system can be used. Orthogonal coordinate का मतलब when x, y, z axis will be discussed. तो 2D में इसका कोई बहुत ज़्यादा important role नहीं है, but yes, 3D we will discuss. 3D में there is a important role for this. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now, if we talk about the brevis lattice 3D में, so there are the 14, but it's difficult to draw all that. Anyhow, the parameter, I'm going to tell you the parameter. What are the parameter? This is the angle. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma, these are the three angles we will discuss. And alpha is the, ye yaad rakhne wali point hai, alpha is the angle between x and z. x and z ke beech mein, axis mein ke beech mein jo hoga, that will be considered as alpha. Gamma will be x and y, and beta will be y and z. So it just yaad karo as alpha, beta, gamma, xz, and then yz, and then xy. Got it? Okay. So this is the thing. And a jo side hoga, a length we will consider on the x axis, b length will be on the y axis, and c length will be on the z axis. That is the way to consider. Okay, conventional form. So here we are going to discuss all the that various lattice. Okay, the first one is simple cube. So in this, it will be simple cube. That means all that A, B, C side will be equal, and the alpha, beta, gamma angle. That means x, y, x, z के बीच का, y, z के बीच का, और x, y के बीच का. All the angle will be 90 degree. Okay. Just remember this. Alpha is the angle between x and z. B is y and z, and gamma is x and y. So all this is 90 degree. So why I have made like this? Is it clear to you? So let me explain with this another slide. If you see this, let me talk about this. Is it clear that this is the one cube? Yeah, this one is, I'm making this is the one cube. Okay, this is the one cube, and this is going to be like this, and here. I hope it is clear that this is the one cube. So, ye one cube, this one corner, if I'm talking about this one corner, this corner is common between the another cube which is just adjacent to it, isn't it? Can you see? This corner is also common in that cube which is just below it. Yes, this is also common in which is adjacent to adjacent to this which is exactly below. Yes, isn't it? So we can see that it is, if we in one layer, if we check, this lattice is like what we say, common in one unit cell, two unit cell, three unit cell, four unit cell. It is in one plane. Okay. Now since we are learning about the 3D, so you have to assume that exactly above this also there is a layer. So this is, as it is common in this four, similarly this is also common in the next with this four cube which is in the next layer. Did you get that? Assume it properly. This is if it is in one layer, and this is common here. It is common in four cases. ये चार जगह common है. So if I'm keeping the another layer over here, so this is going to common in this 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4. That means the one corner is common in between 8 unit cell, 8 cube cell. Did you get that? What I'm saying? That means you have to assume that the each corner is common in 8 unit cell. So if I'm talking about one unit cell, what will be the part, what will be the portion of that atom will be in one unit cell? One corner is common in 8 unit cell. So in one unit cell, what will be the portion of this corner? 1 by 8, isn't it? Got it? So ye jo structure, this is the structure 1 by 8 structure I have shown, which is in one cube. Got it? समझ में आ गई बात? Okay, next thing, another cube. This is body centered cube. In this body centered cube, what it will be? It will be all the corners will be occupied by the atom. Yes, 1/8 honge. And in the center of the body, there will be one complete atom. Got it? One complete particle will be there. Here also the A, B, C will be equal. Alpha, beta, gamma will be 90 degree. Got it? Is it okay? Because we are talking about the cubic structure. So cube, that means it is going to be alpha, beta, A, B, C is going to be same, and alpha, beta, gamma is also going to be same. Isn't it? Clear? Okay. Now the next thing, face centered cube. face centered cubic means this see, it is called primitive unit cell. The corner one, किसी भी अगर cube की, if you think, if you assume, if you want to make a cube, so first thing you have to decide the corners, isn't it? So corner हर जगह होगा, whatever the like brevis lattice we go, the everywhere the corner will be there. Yes, along with the corner, some other place also, that particle or atom will also be there in some other place. So in the previous one, body center along with the corner, if you talk about the primitive unit cell, this is the primitive unit cell, which is simple cube, only at the corner. Okay, only at the corner. Got it? Now next is body center. Along with the corner, one atom will be in the center of the body. I hope it is clear. Third is face center. That means along with the corner, at each face one atom will be there. At each face one atom will be there. Did you get that? Along with the corner, at each face. Now again come to this point. If I'm talking about this, so this is the one face. ये one face कहलाएगा if it is called one face. Okay. And I am putting an element and a particle over here. So this is common in which, how many unit cell, how many cube? Obviously, yes, one is in this cube and another which is just above this, isn't it? Got it? So this atom, this particle, this lattice is common in one unit cell and the another unit cell also, which is just above this cell. So that means 2 unit cell में होगा. तो अगर हम एक की बात करेंगे तो obviously it will be half, isn't it? And that's why it is, you can see that half is made. Yes, hemisphere is there. You can see, yes, hemisphere is there. Got it? So how many, if you say that how many lattice point, how many atoms will be there? 8 at the corner and at each face, yani 6 faces पे. Is it okay? Clear? In the primitive, if we talk about only 8, only at the corner. Yes. If we talk about the body, along with the corner, how many points will be there? I'm asking about that. Along with the corner 8 and 1 in the body center. That means total 9. If I'm talking about face, all corner will be there, any 8, and along with this, 6 faces will be there. So 6 point, any 8 plus 6, 14 points will be there. Got it? Now this is simple tetragonal. Tetragonal, that means A or B to equal hoga, but C will not be equal. Okay, but the angle will be same. No need to learn. आपको जो starting मैंने बताया, simple cubic, body center and face center. That is the mainly asked question. ये सब just to get the knowledge you can do. Okay. In simple tetragonal, what we will say, A, B जो होंगे वो equal, but C is not equal to that. Alpha, beta, gamma जो angle होंगे, that will be 90 degree. Body center tetragonal, वही same चीज, A, B equal होंगे, but C will not be equal to that. And along with the corner, one will be in the center, body. Okay. If it consider that simple rhombic, simple orthorhombic, in this case, no sides will be equal. A will not be equal to B, not equal to C, but all the angles will be 90 degree. Got it? समझ में आ रही बात बच्चे? Okay. Next is base orthorhombic. Orthorhombic का मतलब वही होगा, A or B or C, all the sides are not equal, but the angle are same. But here I have used the base. That means at 2 face, only at 2 faces, which are at the base. We can say that the base one. Okay. So वहाँ पे particles होंगे. Got it? Only at 2 face, upside and downside. We can see this is downside, this one is upside. Okay. Along with the corner, only at the 2 faces, upside and downside. Since we are talking about the orthorhombic, that means A, B, C will not be equal to each other, but angle will be same, 90 degree. Body center orthorhombic, again, वही same चीज, A, B, C not equal to each other, but angle will be same. And since I'm talking about the body center, that means in orthorhombic के case की body के it will be in the center of the body. Yes, orthorhombic. In the case of orthorhombic, one lattice will be there in the center of the body. Next, face center orthorhombic hoga. We know that this is point, and on each face will be there. So how many faces? 6 faces are there. So how many lattice point will be there? 14 here also. So what is the difference in face centered and face centered cubic structure and face centered orthorhombic? Only this, that ABC face centered cubic में ABC were equal, but in face centered orthorhombic ABC are not equal to each other. Got it here? Simple trigonal here that ABC will be equal, but alpha, beta और gamma जो होंगे वो exactly 90 degree नहीं होंगे. Angle will not be 90 degree, but yes, it will be little less than 120. 120 से ऊपर भी नहीं होंगे और 90 भी नहीं होंगे. ठीक है? This is also called rhombohedral. अब now again फिर हम इसी में करेंगे. We will do one in the center. Yes. This is not going to change. This parameter is not going to change. This is called parameter. And how many parameters will be there? 6 parameter. 3 length and 3 angle. Okay. Chale. Now simple monoclinic. If I'm talking about monoclinic, में क्या होगा? A, B और C, all three are exactly different to each other. अल्फा एंड गामा यानी एक्स जेड और एक्स वाई के बीच का जो एंगल होगा दैट विल बी 90 डिग्री, बट बीटा एंगल विल नॉट बी 90 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स वाई जेड के बीच का जो एंगल होगा वो 90 डिग्री नहीं होगा. गॉट इट हियर? यस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज बेस सेंटर्ड मोनोक्लिनिक. वही मोनोक्लिनिक का सेम पैरामीटर. नाउ इट इज बेस, दैट मीन्स ऑन upside and downside one particle will be there, one lattice will be there. I hope it is clear. Simple hexagonal. Hexagonal के लिए what it will be? A and B will be equal, but C will not be equal to with this. Alpha beta will be 90 degree and gamma will be 120 degree. Alpha beta angle, you know that alpha is the angle between X and Z. Beta gamma is the angle between X and Y, and beta is the angle between Y and Z. So X and Y, X and Z and Y and Z के बीच का जो एंगल होगा that will be 90 degree, but X and Y के बीच का एंगल 120 degree होगा. Got it? Now for 14th brevis, that is the alpha A, B, C. All three are different and all three angles will also be different and not equal to 90 degree. ठीक है? ये 90 degree नहीं होंगे और all three will be different. Side will be also different. So that is called triclinic. Hope it is clear. Yes, dear. So now in detail we will know the types of unit cell and their contribution and how they form the formula of the compound. So that will be done in the next class. By the time, watch the video properly, make short notes and enjoy your study. Thank you, class.